We look after kitchen very much.
The smartest man in İçmeler.
Thank you very much. Yes. Thank you. We still love you. So we've just had a lift over from the hotel, Julian Club. We're back in İçmeler now, Tony Macaroni, and this is where we get our electric scooters from. But if you are in İçmeler, come and see Tony Macaroni or Uncle Ozzy Osbourne, and they'll sort you out all your excursions as well, from boat trips, water parks, jeep safari, quad and buggy. Oh, he's got the Sunny Marmaris magazine. Look at that. You can download this online as well on sunnymarmaris.co.uk. But anything, pick-up point, anything you need whilst you're in İçmeler, come and see Tony Macaroni.
Hello.
£15 a day, that is cheap.
And but longers.
If they get deal. 1 week, then you make deal.
We get the deal, yeah.
So we make deal now. I want it 1 month.
Oh, more deal, more deal. How long? Go cheapers. Longer cheapers. Cheapest price, and all new scooters.
Yeah. And with scooters, you need a driving license.
Yes, yes.
You have to have a driving license. So this one for İçmeler, that one for Marmaris.
Just only
but whenever you hire an electric scooter, you have to have a driving license.
Yeah.
And if you're going from İçmeler to Marmaris, you need a number plate on.
And also look for them here, no number plate. You don't go Marmaris.
Yeah.
You will see number plate, yes, you can go Marmaris. Thank you very much.
Just on it. He's off.
We're driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
Right, so let's go and try the food once again at Koncaoglu here in İçmeler. İçmeler's brand new Turkish restaurant. Beautiful views, a beautiful restaurant. This is the shish kebab at Koncaoglu. So on the plate in front of me now, I've got some doner meat, lamb shish, some Turkish bread. Is it bulgur rice?
Yeah, bulgur rice.
Bulgur rice and a little bit of salad. And I kid you not, that shish kebab is unbelievable.
Oh, chicken wing.
You want some malam?
Yeah.
If you are in İçmeler, make sure you come checking them out. Koncaoglu, brand new restaurant, authentic Turkish food, perfect service, perfect views, and I'm sure me and Lee will be back before we leave to go back to the UK. Thing about eating at Koncaoglu, besides the food, is the view. Check this out. Absolutely stunning views. Koncaoglu in İçmeler. Literally just ate Kunifer. Now I'm eating this from Errol and his wife at the LFC bar in İçmeler. Oh. Listen, this is getting beyond a joke now. We've ate somewhere else. We've had dessert at LFC Bar with Errol and his wife, and now we've just came to Home Bistro just for a chat with him, Eddie, the owner. And he brings over these the cheese pastries. So just try fresh homemade with some dip. Chef, hello mate. Nice to meet you, mate.
I'm the chef. They call me Curly. Hello, mate. Okay?
Nice to meet you, mate.
Nice to meeting you.
You just made these?
Yes.
Wow,
It is
very hot,
small
very hot.
Place, but everything, our recipe, you will see the difference.
Thank you very much, mate.
Oh, that's hot.
That is hot. Borek, they have this for like breakfast as well.
Right.
Oh. Tasty Borek. Maybe some spinach in there.
Spice.
Spice.
Bit of a kick in there.
Ooh, where's your kick at like? What
This
is
one.
this?
This is different.
No, same.
Same. No. You taste it.
No, thank you, mate. Thank you.
Please try the one night Bombo restaurant. We look after kitchen very much.
The smartest man in İçmeler.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We still love you. There's loads of bars in İçmeler that I've still never got to, and this is one of them. Blues Brothers. Chin Chin. Right, so we're still at the Julian Club Hotel in Marmaris, Icmeler. So we are a little bit late for breakfast, so we can't really judge him on what's out now, but let's take a look anyway, fill up our stomachs.
Morning. Poached eggs. Fresh poached eggs. Fresh omelette.
So this is Menemen, a traditional Turkish breakfast made with scrambled eggs, tomatoes and peppers. Menemen. Chips on a bread. Kozlumer. So far, I think it looks absolutely spot on. A good choice for adults, kids, and over this section you've then got waffles.